So I'm just going to be looking at the histology of the female reproductive system. So to start off with, we have the fallopian tube. So this here is the cross-section sort of through the middle of the fallopian tube. So this bit here is the mucosa, and then the muscular layer, which is this bit here, just that outer ring, just around the mucosa, and then the bit here is the serosal layer. Just pick that up. So then looking at this next diagram, it's just a bit up closer, higher definition, high microscope, we have the ones with the green. So okay, first of all, we have the whole thing is the columnar epithelium. In the fallopian tube, the epithelium is columnar epithelium. And then we have the PEG cells, which are these ones here with the green arrows. And these are the ones that secrete mucus into the fallopian tube. And then the ones with the black arrows are ciliated cells. And you can see the little cilia there on top of the cells. That's the fallopian tube, and next we'll move on to the uterus. So this here is looking at the wall of the uterus. So we have this bit here is the endometrium, which is made up of simple columnar epithelia. So just put that there. And this whole, that's the whole thing. And then you have the endometrium separated into the stratum functionalis and the stratum basalis. The functional, I'm just messing up a bit here. The functionalis is the top bit where all the glands and stuff are, and this is the bit that sheds during menstruation. And then the bit underneath is the basalis, which is what the new functionalis grows from. And then underneath you have the myometrium, which is the muscular layer of the uterus. So next we've got the cervix. So this here is the cervical canal, and that there is where the external os lies. And then we move on to the vaginal canal. So this bit here, the cervical canal, is made of simple columnar epithelia, which you can see also below, which is this bit here, up at higher definition. And then the vaginal is made up of vagina is made up of non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelia, which is we can see below here. And where that changes is called the transitional zone. And then we've got the vagina in more detail. So as we said above, the epithelium is non-keratinized stratified squamous, which is that top layer there. And then that, including that and the bit below, is the mucosa. And then the bit below the epithelia is the submucosa. So the submucosa and epithelia make up the mucosa. And then we've got the muscularis layer and the adventitia there as well. So yeah, that is the histology of the female reproductive tract. Thank you.